Hello again. Thanks again for watching the previous videos. The video I have now is again from the initial couple days of the property. I have some footage from, I think, day 2, 3, somewhere in that neighborhood. A lot of clearing happened. I'm trying to find a spot to put the travel trailer right there. That's my equipment. But anyway, trying to find a spot for the travel trailer. I also went and had the wife here. We're looking over in that area, which is a lot different now, but we were looking for a spot for the building that we're putting up, which is now going to be over there. Plans change. So I'll leave y'all with that for right now. I hope you enjoy it. And once again, thanks for watching. More to come.